Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Kowloon kung saan mag-exit tayo sa exit C papuntang Festival Walk dahil dito ang daanan papuntang City University of Hong Kong. Kakatawa, 'di ba? So ito yung daanan. Medyo tricky siya, so kailangan ng mga volunteers para i-guide yung mga mag-attend ng seminar para sa DWO, sa reintegration program. So, ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng lugar, ang ganda-ganda ng mall. Samahan niyo ako muli, guys. The early bird catches the papa. Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Good morning po! Morning! Ayan, so congratulations sa mga graduates. Mga Atenista na din sila. Parang kailan lang, no? Batch 30 kami sa Hong Kong. Ngayon, batch 127 na yung gagraduate dito sa Hong Kong. Kasi guys, kung bakit ganyan yung ang bilis ng number, 2015 lang kami. Kasi guys, kada ibang bansa, yung kumbaga tuloy-tuloy yung numbering ng batches, hindi batch lang dito sa Hong Kong, kundi batch yan sa buong mundo. So kung sino yung mag-start, mag-graduate na mauna, yun yung may dadagdag sa susunod na batch. So kung isa saang bansa siya, doon yung susunod na batch, ganyan yung batch number. So yan po yung numbering, kaya huwag kayong magtaka na baka iniisip nyo 127 batches na sa Hong Kong, hindi po. Yan yung mga alumni sa buong mundo. So, ayan, may mga awardees, may mga amo na sumama sa kanilang mga helpers. Kaya nakakatuwa din, nakakatuwang pagmasdan na may mga amo na very supportive sa kanilang mga katulong. Kaya, ayan, sama-sama natin silang i-congratulate at i-welcome sa Ateneo School of Government. Back to you, Ma'am Ana.
It was while he and his wife, Miss Christina Yangzon, were stationed in Rome that they first organized what was then called the LSE program, or the Leadership, Financial Literacy, and Social Entrepreneurship program of the Ateneo. Edgar is a founding member of the Overseas Filipino Society for the Promotion of Economic Security, or OFSPES.
Graduation ceremony of the ALSE of Life program, the Ateneo Leadership, Social Entrepreneurship, Overseas Filipinos Leadership, Innovation, Financial Literacy, and Social Entrepreneurship.
Expertise to government, public foundations, and non-government organizations. In our speaker, Professor Mark Richard Thompson.
The Honorable Herminia Aguilar Usadon, Consul General, Philippine Consulate here in Hong Kong, Attorney Francis Ron de Guzman, Assistant Secretary for Reintegration Services, Department of Migrant Workers, Dr. Philip Arnold Duano, Dean, School of Government, Ateneo de Manila University, Ms. Lila Rispens-Noel, Co-Founder and Director, Wimler Foundation Hong Kong, Ms. Anna Martinez, Director and Chairman, Wimler Foundation Hong Kong, graduates of this ALSE of Life program this year, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. It's with great pleasure that I'm here today, and I want to also thank very much Catherine de Guzman for that very kind introduction. It's with considerable pride, but also a large dose of sentimentality that I look back over the past 2 years, where we have had the honor, we being the City University of Hong Kong, the Southeast Asia Research Center there, of hosting this wonderful program, and now seeing a second class of graduates happy and ready to work here. And he actually was very talkative in our, the other thing I'm very proud of, which is we did, of course, this year not just host, but we also helped teach. We were contributing to the leadership module, in particular issues of governance, where Kevin and I were involved, and we're very pleased indeed to have contributed, however small the contribution to this program.
Ni Ed, no? In Europe, these are the countries where we are: Italy, Spain, France, Belgium, the Netherlands, Germany, Switzerland, Russia. This year, we included countries like the Czech Republic, Prague in particular, Poland, and Hungary. So we have a batch that started in October. In Asia, so obviously Hong Kong is the first country in Asia, then Macau, Singapore, Thailand, Japan, madami yan, Taiwan, South Korea, the Philippines, where we have a version for that included the family members. So it's called the AFLSE. So if you have families back home, so this is for the graduates, and you want them to go on the same journey as you have been, encourage them to sign up for that program next year. Right, in the Middle East and North Africa, we have the United Emirates, Qatar. I think we're also in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Then North America, the USA and Canada. In Central and Latin America, this is interesting because we are in places like the Cayman Islands, Guatemala, the Bahamas, meron pa yan, British Virgin Islands, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and Trinidad and Tobago. These are just countries that we hear about in Miss Universe, di ba? And ALSE is there. Okay, so we try as much as possible through the online platform to reach as many OFWs as we possibly can. Alright, you can skip that because this is not updated. Alright, so 14 years of the program.
After graduating from the University of the Philippines with a degree in economics. She obtained her law degree from the University of Santo Tomas and has been a member of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines since 1999. She has been serving Hong Kong since 2018 when she was Deputy Consul General, and she assumed her post as Consul General in May 2024. Arabia for 4 years and acted as First Secretary and Consul to the Philippine Embassy in Jakarta, Indonesia from 2009 to 2012. Bicolano. Wish me luck. Salamat sa pag-ako kan sa mong imbitasyon na maging sa mong espesyal na bisita ngunyan na aldaw. I hope you can understand that. Thank you. A big round of applause. Applause to Consul Bernie Aguilar.
Maraming salamat, Miss Cathy. Diyos mabalos sabi. Maray napon sa inyo gabos. That was a very generous introduction. Thank you, Cathy. Assistant Secretary.
Ayan, sige po. Pwede na. Binasa kasi kanina umaga, sabi ko, anyway po, so dahil graduation po ito ay magpaka-formal po tayo ng bahagya. Okay po. So allow me first to, of course, acknowledge, first and foremost,
In the past years, meron din tayong mother and daughter tandem.
Dahil may CPR ang music, kailangan nating i-mute. Sayang guys, hindi nyo maririnig yung mga pangalan. Pero yan yung mga graduates na tumatanggap ng kanilang certificate. Yung mga iba, certificate of completion. Yung iba, meron silang certificate of merit dun sa kanilang perfect attendance. At yun ang aking partner na nakita nyo kanina. So ayan, bago tayo umuwi, maaga akong umalis kasi mayroon akong kailangang gawin. So hindi ko siya natapos, pero masaya naman tayo.
Maipit yung sapatos ko!
So ito na yung picture taking sinamantala na natin guys, na nandito pa yung mga guests. kasi mamaya aalis na tayo. At parang ito na yung last yata nila ngayon sa CTU dahil lilipat na yung venue ng klase nila sa consulate. So sa susunod na taon doon na tayo. Siguro, ayan yung prince nung ano yun, anak ng hari ng Syria ata yan. O sabi ni Cicelyne. Ayan, so ang ganda ng ng painting na yan. Kaya sinamantala natin magpicture parang nasa University of Cambridge talaga siya. So hanggang sa muli guys, maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay sa ating mga videos. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe, and share. At abangan ang ating mga susunod pang videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!